Oh. Oh man, this is crazy. It's so crazy. I'm doing it with safe off. Well, we could do this all day, guys. This little battery could last us all day.
I don't see your shadow yet.
Oh, come on. There's the shadow's there. Woo. Okay, we'll get it on this pass. How can I do that inverted? There was the shadow. Blast it in pizza box stunt mode. There it is. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then throw safe right before it hits the ground and you're good. What a beautiful day to be alive and to fly some RC planes. And today we have one of my favorite small planes to fly. All this snow on the ground. I either needed something with floats or skis, and we've all seen the Twin Otter fly off snow 100 times on our channel, a few times anyway. So I needed something I could hand launch, and I haven't flown this in a little while. I thought, this thing is just sweet, so let's fly it.
This is small and hard to see. This is gonna be interesting. And it's gone. There you are. Jeez.
Well, that might be a first. You guys got to see the start of a video with me landing it by hand catching it because Abby is, you know, snowblind today. It's very hard to film today.
Small plane,
Small
white plane.
It's white. We have white clouds,
You
white
just-
snow.
you just
Good
disappear.
luck. And it's gone. Wow.
Yeah, if you fly like that, I'll lose it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to keep a nice, steady, predictable pattern for Abby. Well, this thing is absolutely amazing. I can't remember if I got the lights on this right now or not. I don't think I took them off. It's been so long since I've flown this. I think the last time was during night flight week on our
the
channel.
light should be on there.
Whoa,
Oh my gosh, everybody gets sick.
That's just a little bit of wind, a little bit of being, right now I'm flying at like 2% throttle. I mean, nothing. The Ultrix 600. So I can see this pretty well, but Abby is struggling. I mean, she's got this little 1" by 2" screen to look at, and it's super snow blinding right now. So yeah, sorry Abby. Let's put it up higher and see if you can chase it just in the sky. I'm gonna full throttle a little bit and try to have some fun with it. Just wanted to get out and fly something today, guys. Here we go. Super low pass. Let's clean this up some. We'll go try. I'm going to give you a nice full throttle pass here, Abby. See if you can.
I have no idea where you are.
Right there. That one full throttle. Trying to hold back a little bit for Abby's sake. So this thing flies really like a trainer when it's in safe mode. Very predictable, very easy to fly. But then also, you can do some really fun stuff like climbing it. Abby, I climbed. My favorite thing with this, which is really low, slow, right off the ground flying. Okay, I think you can record this. I like to put the nose up some and putz this thing around and like dangerously low and slow, right? That's one of my favorite things to do with it. And then I use my differential thrust to try to keep it right off the ground, just like that. How cool is that? Now that's awesome. Don't touch the snow, don't touch the snow. Sweet, right? Mm-hmm. Is this easy to film?
Yeah.
It's kind of like the crawler of the RC plane world.
I'm gonna fly this and let you try to film it.
Nope, can't do it.
So they know it's not just me being complaining.
No, look at that, guys. Isn't that so awesome? This is cool. And then I had to blast it there just a little bit. All you have to do something like this is hold full elevator. I have it in safe right now, but it can do even better out of safe. And just kind of use throttle management. And I actually use aileron and rudder input controls to try to keep it like steering it without dropping too much. It's really fun to do this, especially when those lights are on. I need to see if, I can't remember what switch was lights, but I'm gonna start throwing some switches. It's not that one. Is it this one? We'll see if we see any lights, because I can't remember if I put them on this and left one. That was really close. Let me know if you start seeing lights. I don't think I can't remember what we did.
I thought it was manual.
No, I have it on a switch, I know that. Now where safe is. I only got a couple switches left, so if it doesn't kick on, then
So bright.
I'm not seeing any lights, but that's okay. Okay, now can I do my crazy pizza box in the wind stunt mode?
You can try.
All right, you try to film it. It's going to be over here, okay? So we're going to blast off. We're going to turn safe off, and then we're going to go up and roll it and go pizza box stunt mode. Not yet, not yet, not yet. I forgot how. There we go. We're getting it. We're getting it. Turn it back on. Okay, Abby, follow me one more time. I know how to do it now. It's all on the left stick. I forgot. I was doing stuff with ailerons too. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Blast it. In pizza box stunt mode. There it is. Yeah, 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 yeah! And then throw safe right before it hits the ground, and you're good. I know you lost it, but we're gonna get back in low.
I filmed it all till the very end when it kicked.
Oh, there we go.
Whoa. So
now I just gotta settle it back in, bring it nice and low and slow. Oh, look at that. Oh, we almost stalled out. This is a challenge, you guys. It's absolutely a challenge. Oh, I heard a little snow crunch behind me and I thought maybe we were gonna die, so I turned around really fast. I don't know what it was. It scared me. I actually think the lights are on, but it's so bright out we can't see them because I just saw a little bit of red in the wing. So pretty sure they're on right now. We should fly this at night with this snow on the ground. That would be amazing.
That would probably be easier to record than
I know. Look at this. I mean, all you can see are those blue lines where E-Flite put the decals on, and on the bottom the black lines when it's so snowy like this. But man, this is actually really cool. Kind of a rough start to the video, but I like this now. What do you think?
Much easier to film.
Whoa!
When you told me this is what you selected, I kind of thought you were crazy.
I needed something that I could hand launch.
Yeah.
And I just haven't flown this in a while, so I thought that was really cool to see.
Don't think of the camera person's perspective.
Sometimes I guess not. Now look out, can you see the shadow right below it? Yeah. I mean, I'm like literally an inch off the ground. Now, I want to do this with safe off and see if I've got the skills to pay the bills. Or if it's just safe helping me that whole time, so. Okay.
Probably safe.
Safe is off. You're calling it? You're saying it's just safe? That I can't do it on my own? Let's see. Safe is off.
I didn't say anything.
You said probably safe.
I don't know.
Can I do it without safe? So far, so good. Come on. Focus, focus, focus. I feel much more comfortable out there away from us.
As you come toward us.
Yeah. Oh! Oh man, this is crazy. It's so crazy. I'm doing it with safe off. Well, we could do this all day, guys. This little battery could last us all day.
I don't see your shadow yet.
Oh, come on. The shadow's there. Woo. Okay, we'll get it on this pass. How can I do that inverted? There was the shadow. We're gonna roll it up. We're gonna roll it. Oh, what? No, that wasn't with safe off. Oh, that was a safe on. I threw the wrong switch. Man, that whole time I thought safe was off and I was just doing amazing. Okay, now safe is off. Let's see if I can do it.
Are you sure? Safe
yeah, I'm positive.
Oh gosh.
I tried to roll it and I couldn't, so I knew safe was still on. Okay, now safe is off. Oh, man. I was like, this is easy. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty embarrassed about that one. Okay, that's all right. Safe is off now. Focus, 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 focus.
So how often do you fly and tell us safe's off?
Shush, shush. That has never happened before because normally I have safe assigned to the back right switch, but in this, because it's just, you bind it and everything's already assigned, it's on the back left, and I just forgot.
Shadow,
okay?
shadow, shadow.
I just forgot. Oh, those wheels almost touched. See, with safe off, I can pitch that nose up a little bit more and like kite it around. There's 5 minutes of flight. I'm not going off of that.
We've been flying for 9 minutes.
No, oh well, that's because throttle has been in the lower than the, you know, like, so the only time that counts down is when throttle's above like 30%.
Oh, okay.
And so that was cool. Oh, don't crash. Obviously, safe is off now, Abby. Yeah, 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 yeah. There's our telemetry. All right, we'll kick safe back on and I will land it. I can't believe I did that.
I'll give you $10 if you can catch it again.
Okay.
Don't try this at home.
That's right.
props are in the front. Makes it dangerous. Oh!
No!
Double embarrassment today.
Try again? I gotta try again.
Just like kneecapped you. Okay, your finger's covering up where I can see it.
Got it?
I can see it right on your finger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's hard to see, but they're on. It's so bright. So they've been on. This is just a blast, guys. It's a blast on a budget. It binds up to whatever radio you're using. This, in my case, it's the NX8. Super fun and easy to fly. It's hard to film today, but give Abby a massive thumbs up for getting it done, because we got this in the air and we had a blast with it. It does ground takeoffs and landings when you install that little nose wheel, and it's it's just crazy. It's really fun airplane. I think everybody needs to fly this thing. It's in safe mode, very easy to fly. You can fly fast or slow, and then you can throw safe off and really just go nuts with it. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to pick one up for yourself. And I just want to say a massive thanks to God for getting us out here and sharing this experience with you guys in this beautiful, beautiful day to fly on. Also, a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters for supporting everything we do and giving free content to the world to enjoy. Hope you're having a great day. We'll have another video of this popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!